What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. Time flies, month of April already passed, and so I'm back with another dividend portfolio update. In April I again added cash into the account, bought a few stocks and received the dividends. First we'll use Revolut to check what was exactly done, and then we'll go into the portfolio tracker on Google Sheets to further look into the dividend progress. But first, as usual, let's do a quick giveaway. So every month I randomly pick a recent commenter under any of my videos to then invite him to Discord, where I share all my extra investing materials. This month's winner is ManUVNS, who shared his price target on FIS ticker symbol. Thank you ManUVNS, contact me on any platform directly, and you'll get those channel membership benefits free of charge. Now if you would like to get picked too, all you have to do is leave a comment under any of my recent videos. Next month I'll randomly pick one again, and you'll get those extra materials free of charge. Otherwise, feel free to take the standard route and become a member of the channel for a monthly fee. Now I think I've covered all the points for this part, so let us go back to the portfolio update. So we are back on Revolut, and here we have the transaction history for the month of April. The month started on April 3rd with an addition of $500 new, and straight away I bought into a financials named Citigroup, ticker symbol C, with a long trade of $200, getting 4.26 of a share at $46.99 per share. Now on the 4th I had to pay the Revolut custody fee of 92 cents, but afterwards dividends started coming in. So on the 4th, two names paid. First is Consumer Staples Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, with a dividend of 72 cents, and then Industrials FedEx, ticker symbol FDX, with $1.67. Next day, April 5th, we have Kimberly-Clark, ticker symbol KMB. The dividend here was $2.30. Then April 11th, Healthcare, Merck, ticker symbol MRK, with an addition of 88 cents. April 17th, another healthcare, Thermo Fisher Scientific, ticker symbol TMO, a small dividend for the position of 17 cents. Then April 18th, again healthcare, Medtronic, ticker symbol MDT. Here the dividend is way larger, $3.90. April 21st, we had utilities, Xcel Energy, ticker symbol XEL, dividend of 64 cents. And then on the same day I decided to add in to tech exposure, so increased the position in FIS with $200 and got 3.55 of a share at $56.31. And then the last dividend came from communications on April 28th. That was Comcast, ticker symbol CMCSA, with a dividend of $2.44. So these were all the buys and the dividends we got for the month. And now let us take a deeper look into the dividend and the portfolio progress in the tracker on Google Sheets. So first let us check into the dividend progress. I summed up everything that was received in April, and in total the dividends came in at $12.72. So that was more than $2 increase from January of this year, where dividends was at $10.16, and comparing it to last year's April, that is more than 4x increase from $2.75, up 362.5% year over year. So the direction is decent. Last year we only had 2 months higher than that, September with $13 and December with 16.86, and now with only 4 months the sum for the year is $56.44. So with 4 months of this year in, we are on track to going 2x in annual dividends from last year. Now let us take a look into the dividend income. So as it is today, the portfolio should be bringing $224.45 in dividends on an annual basis, and that is a monthly income of $18.70. So we can cover part of some monthly expenses, and we are coming close to half of entertainment, where it's set at $40 every month, and we currently have 46.8% of it. Of course, the end game is to cover everything. We have the sum at $975, and we're just shy of 2% for it at 1.9. So we went through the dividends, but now I would also like to check into these added positions. So one of them was a bank, Citigroup, ticker symbol C. I'm currently holding 7.434 of a share. All in all, I've added $400 in, and this position is now worth $337.87. So I'm down for $62.13 on it, which is minus 15.53%. Now this position takes 3.33% of the portfolio and 19.37% of exposure in the financial sector. Currently, Citigroup is paying $2.04 in dividends on an annual basis, so my yield on cost is at $3.79, should be a bit below than the current yield, and this position pays $15.16 every year. And then second was IT, Fidelity National Information Services, ticker symbol FIS. I'm currently holding 7.5 of a share, in total added $500 in, and now the position is worth $413.15. This means we are down $86.85 on it, and that is minus 17.37%. Now this position takes 4.07% of the portfolio, and that is 19.02% of exposure in the information technology sector. FIS is currently paying $2.08 in dividends on an annual basis. Yield on cost here is 3.12%, and for this position I'm getting $15.60. Overall, the portfolio is now worth $10,151.57, and I have deposited just a bit over that, so we are now down for $28.43, around 3 months of dividend income for this portfolio, making it overall down for 0.28%. Now let's also take a look into the market sector exposure to determine where the new cash additions are going into next month. So in April I've added into financials. We currently have $1,744.06 there. That takes up 17.18% of the portfolio, with a current target of just 14%. And then we also added into information technology. There is currently $2,171.94 there. That is 21.4% of the portfolio, where the target is at exactly 20%. So these two sectors aren't the focus going further. I believe one of them will be consumer staples. We now have $818.12 there. It takes 8.06% of the portfolio, so just above the target of 8%. And then next one after that will probably be industrials. There is now $854.46 there. It takes 8.42% of the portfolio, and the target here is also 8%. So I do believe I've covered all the points I wanted, and we are done with this portfolio update. What do you think? What other dividend-paying stocks should be added into this portfolio? Share your best ticker symbols in a comment below. Also, don't forget to support the channel and leave a thumbs up under the video. Last time I've compared the dividend metrics of a few companies, so if you are interested in that, then click on a video that is currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.